Now, from the downtown of Northwest Arkansas, in Uptown Rogers, with weather from Bentonville to Fayetteville, Fort Smith, and beyond, here's Oz weather meteorologist, Garrett Lewis.
What's up? Good morning to you. It's Friday. We're headed into Easter weekend. Why not just start with the weekend, right? It is March 29th, 2000. Come on, Lewis. 2024. Temperatures outside continue to get warmer. In fact, this morning, we're waking up to like 40s and 50s. That's a big change from those freezing temperatures just a couple of days ago. This weekend looks great, guys. Saturday and Sunday, there's going to be a lot of high-level clouds out there for the weekend. The wind, wind's going to be really brisk out of the south today, Saturday, Sunday, right through the weekend. So watch out for those breezy south winds. They may gust 30, 40 miles an hour. The brush fire danger is going to be a little bit higher. Ironically, that's usually when the Forestry Service usually torches things as well. So you might see some smoke out there heading into the next few days. Of course, we're getting in towards the end of that controlled burn season as things start to green up around here because it's Easter, right? So we've got 70s this weekend, upper 70s on Sunday. I think the rain holds off on Easter Day late on Sunday into Monday. That front moves back to the north. That's going to give us that chance of seeing some showers, even some strong storms. This is what it looks like now looking towards the north. Looks like from around Bellevue or so towards Uptown Rogers. Mostly clear, but some high clouds are moving back in. I'll show you those here in just a second. Really, the high clouds are the big weather feature along with the warmth and the wind for both Saturday and for Sunday. Beyond that, though, I do think we get some showers and some storms on Monday, and I think some of those, they might be severe, probably will be severe. It continues to trend that way for us. So where are we right now? Well, we're waking up to this. It's 49 degrees in, where are we at here? That's going to be Bentonville, 48 in Rogers, 54 in Fayetteville. The wind stayed up, kept temperatures up a little bit. Fort Smith, a little cooler where the winds died down at 49 degrees. You get some south winds that look at McAllister, 60. Where is it? Right there. Ooh. Pretty warm, big temperature difference, isn't it? See all the clouds that are out there? Now, this is what I have turned on is the infrared satellite layer. Let's zoom out of here and see if I can put this in, loop this up for you here. You can see some of these high clouds starting to move back in. Let me take these temperatures off. It'd be easier to see. So these are all high-level clouds that are moving in across Oklahoma and moving into Arkansas. That's the next storm system. In fact, if I move this way over there, that storm system, you can see a little cinnamon swirl out there. That's the thing that's going to get us coming up early next week. So that's the one that we're watching. Meantime, you also have this southerly flow. Look at all that moisture coming in from the southwest. I think some of the rain totals could be pretty high out of this thing coming up on Monday, too. As those high-level clouds spread back in first, you'll notice the cloud canopy that's up there, but the better chance of rain doesn't get here until a little bit later, a lot later, until Monday rolls around. So as far as the surface charts, what do these things look like? Well, let's take a look at how this evolves over the next couple of days. Right now, I'm parked on Monday, so let's back up to where we are today, Friday morning. We have the high pressure across the southeast, that clockwise flow bringing us some southerly winds. You can see a dry line out to the west. Let's jump ahead towards Saturday morning. There we go. You got the cold front starting to make its way east. It's not going to move a whole lot. By Easter sunrise, there will be some showers and storms across Missouri, central and northern Missouri, but not for us. We'll be under that southwesterly flow. Should be great for early services or maybe doing an Easter egg hunt with the kids in the afternoon. But let's skip ahead into Monday. Things start shaking loose on Monday. As we move into Monday, we'll have showers and thunderstorms breaking out. You can see the low pressure system as well as the dry line, the warm front, the cold front. Pretty much all the ingredients that you typically have during severe weather season. So that's going to be something to keep an eye on. The Storm Prediction Center is already watching this. They're already looking at the possibility of severe weather. I wanted to look at the upper level wind chart, and then I'll get to that outlook. As far as the upper level winds go, this is heading into Monday. What I wanted to show you is just this trough. You can see as it moves in. See that the tilt, the orientation is northeast to southwest. That's usually something that you see with heavier rain events, as the front basically leans into it as opposed to kicking into it. When it kicks in really fast, it digs, and when it digs, it's usually a little stronger with the upper level winds. But it also means that we'll probably be looking at a faster system when it digs. When it leans in like this, it's more of a slower moving system with heavier rainfall. There's a lot of upper level winds too, and I think there's enough to get some severe weather going here. This is Monday where I'm watching. Matter of fact, you can see it here if we take a look at the Storm Prediction Center forecast. They're already highlighting our whole area for the higher risk of severe weather. This is going to be Monday, not an April Fool's joke. I hate April Fool's Day anyway, because people always pull my leg. I'm pretty gullible. I fall for stuff pretty easily. This isn't a joke, though. We are looking at some severe weather as we move into the early part of next week. But the weekend looks good. I hope you're able to go out and enjoy some of the nice weather. Allergies are going to be a little bonkers, though. The south winds stir things up. The pollen's already on the trees, on the flowers. There it goes. It's in the air. You'll probably be sneezing. In fact, I'm going to go hit the Flonase here in just a second, along with some Allegra, and see if I can stave off some of this stuff, right? All right, so have a great weekend. I think overall it's going to be a nice one for you. Watch out for the wind, lots of sunshine, lots of warmth, some spring like warmth, but some spring like storms coming up too on Monday. See you next time.